You know what? The worst part of being in any agency or any marketing team is just managing the checklists of things you need to do. It's no easy joke to be a marketer, okay? You need to like take care of every little thing and every single step so nothing misses out. Otherwise the end user is not getting consistent messaging and they get really confused about what the hell is going on. So having a checklist of things is very, very important. But it can also be super annoying if you have checklist in your spreadsheets and then your entire team is working somewhere else. So we have designed a checklist in 5day.io, which is that lives alongside your projects, and people don't really have to jump between tools to understand what they need to do next. Today, I'm going to show you how you can either use our templates, checklists that we build in our templates, and edit it, or if you have your own design system for the checklist, how you can, sort of save that once you create the project in 5day.io as well. So as you can see here, this is a design system checklist that I've already created in 5day.io. It's super easy to do that. What you have to do is you have to click add here and you have to go to project. If you're creating it from scratch, then you just have to set a new project, name the project as, content publishing checklist, let's say, right? And you just have to create the project, import your tasks here, and go about it the way you want. But now let's say that you are from an agency and not an in-house team, and your checklists need to be applied to multiple clients, and those client projects also keep restarting every single time. Isn't it super annoying to create this project like this every single time? For that, what you need to do is once you create, let's say, your checklist, content checklist or design checklist in this case, you create an entire project, you edit it however you want, you add all the necessary fields you want for that checklist. What you can do is you can go to the three dots here and you can click Save as Template. When you click Save as Template, you can add any image you want from any folder you want here. You can name that template. So you can name it as Universal Design Checklist. You can add the description. You can copy any and all fields that you want that you add in the system, and you can hit save. Right? So that template, this template that you made for one client is now accessible for all client projects for you. When you have to do it, again, you just click on add, you go to project, you click use template, and you go to custom templates here. Here you will be able to see Universal Design Checklist. You simply click use and you name it and your project will be created. But now let's say you don't have a process as such, but you'd really like to build one. Your agency is relatively new, or you come from a small marketing team and you did not need a process like that so far. But now you need a checklist because you're scaling and you're not really sure how to do it. We luckily have built a lot of templates for the same. So you go to add here, again, you go to project, you click use a template, but instead of going to custom templates, you go to default templates in marketing here. Here you will be able to see that we have built so many template checklists for you. We have one for brand guidelines, rebranding project, campaign launch, campaign planning, campaign proposal, case study production, client offboarding, communications and PR tracker, and so much more. You simply have to click use here and, sort of add it to your task list. Now, of course, what you can do is once you see this, there might be a lot of things that you don't really, want the same way as is mentioned here. You can always tweak it to what you want it to be. Let's say create PR structure. That's just a small change, but you can edit the entire template like this, and you can save it once more the way that you have done it. And Universal PR tracker, right? So the next time you want to apply this to another client, you can just click use and the template will be ready for you to use. This makes it really, really easy and not annoying at all for you to start projects from scratch every time and it feeling like, a very big task and wasting a lot of effort and time on your part, and you can get started with the project immediately and make sure that everyone is on track. If you liked this video, do check out 5day.io. It's a marketing operations and project management tool specifically for marketing teams like you. And remember to check out our other videos as well. Thank you for watching.